How I got my 1000 subscribers fast. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how I got my first 1000 subscriber fast. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So when you head over to YouTube and you click on this right here and click on your channel, then this will show you your channel. So if you want to have 1000 subscriber fast, in order to get monetized on YouTube, then what you need to do is to just follow the steps that I will tell you into. So the first step mainly revolves on the actual YouTube analytics. So if you click on this icon right here, it will show you the analytics of your videos. So make sure to improve the analytics right here by producing quality contents over quantity of contents on your videos. So once you keep that up, then you should be able to see some changes on your analytics. Make sure to also use some relevant hashtags to your video on your YouTube. So the next thing you can do is to ask for subscribers. So once you have posted a video, make sure to ask subscribers or viewers to be subscribers. So in that way, they will be notified whenever you actually posted a video on your channel, and once you have posted something, they should be able to watch it, and this will add to your analytics right here to the views and also to the watch time of your account. So the next thing you can do is to find your niche. So a YouTube account needs to have one niche that will target its main audience. So you can't have a YouTube account that has a lot of niche because that will seem very messy and you won't have any viewers by having that. Because if some viewers prefer cars and you posted about cars and the next day about motorcycles, then that is just confusing. So make sure to find the niche that is susceptible to you. So it can be AI, it can be luxury items, it can also be videos that are helping others. So just choose a niche that is right for you and is accessible to you. So the next tip I have for you is to be consistent on your videos. So if you want to add or upload a video on a specific time, then be consistent and upload it at that time. Then you can also see in the analytics where and what time is the very and high watch time for you. So for example, the watch time for you wherein the watch time is high is on Friday, then make sure to upload something on Friday. If the watch time for you is on Tuesday, then make sure to upload on Tuesday. Also, don't let your channel die by not uploading something to your channel and keeping your viewers sleeping. So make sure to be consistent to this. You won't see any progress yet on the beginning, but be consistent because all hard work pays. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you on the tips on how I got my first 1000 subscribers. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.